Welcome back to class. I'll be showing you how you can design using this Canva. Okay, it's very important to understand this. Okay, now that you can see my face, okay, I think that's cool. Since you can see my face, it's perfect like that. Okay, I just start the class. By the way, I'll show you how you can do 2 minutes. Okay, let's just look at this design. I just click now. I'll show you how you can work on it, that you get the value of what you want to actually get the base from this class. Okay, all right. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's wait for it. Our aircraft network is not going. Okay, let me click on edit again. Just know that for you to use Canva, you have to put on your internet connection. Without your internet connection, you will not get, it won't give you what you want. So you have to ensure that you have your connection on. Okay, fine, perfect. So, okay, you can see this design. It is very unique. So, like this design now, you can use it to create codes for your business or for your music business, because I know that some people in this hub, they are into music. So, and most of them, not everybody, but I know some people here, they are music ministers, so they will need to do something, maybe send their music title to their people, so in case they want to share it, or if you're into business and I want to use it, actually you can do this perfectly by actually using something like this. It's simple. See, if you are designing, you have to be simple. Simplicity is very important. You have to keep it simple, not that you have a something very colorful and just confuse your audience. You have to keep it simple. Simplicity is very key. You have to keep it simple. So I want to change this background design to another thing, so I can actually do something with that. Okay, then wait for it. Okay, just click on this. Okay, let's just change the design. Then I can change design too. No, it's not okay. Then just go back. So I just maintain. Okay, I think I have some designs here I can actually tweak it too. Okay, I saw something. Go back. Okay, the images here. Okay. Okay, no item. Okay. Okay, so I'll just maintain this background design, but actually you can actually change this text. So good morning. Good morning. Or okay. Like, let's for example, I just launched a new music, so I want to send the music title to people to see. Like, let's say New Dawn is the title of the music, New Dawn. So New Dawn, okay, New Dawn. So that's title. Okay, music by, can actually come here by okay, by Fashe Raphael. Okay, let's see. You can actually increase the size of this so that it can be seen perfectly. So you can increase the size, also bold it. So you can also bold it. You can change the color to, let me change it to red. Okay, red. Okay, grab your copy. Grab a copy. Grab a copy of my latest single. New Dawn. Okay, New Dawn. So by Fashe, let me increase this. Fashe Candy Affairs. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. Let me increase it. Okay. Alright, I'm just trying to get a perfect size. Okay, so let me bold it. You can see this, very simple and unique. I've actually done something here, like this thing that I just did. I can send it out to people to see as my latest single, also like that. Let me try to change this background design. Maybe I can get some pictures of myself. If I don't want to. Okay, oh, this one. Okay, I don't want. You see, I'm already changed the background picture. So if okay, you can see it. Okay, let me just leave it here like this. Perfect. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click on this arrow here. Just click it. So you can click the arrow, so then you can actually press this so that you can save your work. Okay, you can save your work. It's going to download. You can save your work. You can save your work. Okay, it's preparing my design. Okay, conflict detected. That is the network issue. But just know that if you want to actually do that, that's how you go about it. So that's it. I've already done the I've already finished a design now, so you can actually look at it. So you can see what I've done so far on my Canva tools. So I want you to do the same. Thank you.